Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my videos. Earlier we made part 1, making of a resume easy in just 5 minutes. That's basically for freshers and beginners. And this video is part 2, making a professional resume with all the do's and don'ts step by step. Okay, let me take you there.
That's the main format of the resume. With this format, this is the template actually. With this template is available in Google. We can simply download it, and basing on this template we can create new resume now. Okay,
This is MS Word document and most of the candidates would prefer to prepare the resume in this Word document format.
before we start the resume we should do the page alignment. We should go to page layout and then select page size. It as normal. We have to select normal margin and then select A4 size. Your resume, you need to insert a box on the left side of the resume. To insert the box, we should go to insert and select a box, drag it to the left side of the document and drag this box till the end of the page. You need to do the proper alignment. Just drag it in the end till the page ends. After doing the alignment, we need to insert name here and we need to create a box that comes with a blue color. Drag it here and select no fill. Do the adjustment, select no fill and select the border no outline. Okay, and then shape outline, you can do it no fill here. After that you need to do the adjustment. Then you can insert name in a little bolder formats. I have entered John Peter here. Rectangular box also you need to do the no fill. Then we can increase the letters of the name. You can increase the size here. You can select whichever size you want. We need to do the adjustments here because the name box color is appearing on the blue box. So we need to go to no outline, no fill now. Then again you create a rectangular shape for inserting the designation. For the rectangular shape, it will have inside color and the border. To remove the border and inside color, we need to select no fill. For every shape that you select, you need to do the same process. Then we will put the designation here as Senior Sales Associate. We will insert telephone image now. We enter the mobile number here in the resume.
Beside the image, we need to again go to insert and put a rectangular box here. Do the adjustment because it doesn't come with the proper alignment adjustment here. You need to drag it, you need to put it exactly beside the mobile image, and we need to do the no fill. You can insert the mobile number in this box. Now do the adjustment. After entering mobile number, we need to again put mail ID box here beside the mobile number. After the mobile number, we need to put a mailbox image here. To the mailbox image, we need to again go to insert shapes, insert rectangular box to insert the mail ID of the candidate. Just drag it to the right so that mail ID shouldn't fit in the box. To remove the blue line in the box, we need to go to the shape fill, outline, no outline. Put the mail ID in the box. Mail ID has to be decent and simple. It has to be with the name or name with date of birth. You can put it. Adjust the box to the left side near the symbol. Now we can insert the location symbol to enter the address. Again we need to insert the box to enter the address in it. Once you create the box, you can enter the location, address, and do the adjustment right, left, center, and make it adjacent to the location image. Address, you need to put career objective. Career objective is the main section. It's basically like self-introduction, wherein candidate has to put his experience, his expertise, and he has to mention how he can help the organization which he is going to apply for. Here it is showing grammatical error, so we will go to grammar and ignore once. Box is gone to up. We need to do some adjustments here. Make it little down and do it center. Now we'll insert skills section here. Basically skills section, we need to add skills related image which is collected from Google. Actually you can download it and keep it on the desktop and insert it here like this, and we'll create box to put skills. After putting the skills, we need to put again work history symbol which is available again in Google. Download it and keep it here, and then put work history in the box.
What we'll do is, firstly we will insert headlines of the sections first, and for education also we need to put one symbol. These symbols are available in Google. You can simply download it and keep it on the desktop, and you can select and insert in your Word document in the resume.
Create a box and put education here.
Between these three sections like skill, work history and education, we'll put a line, straight line here.
Go to insert straight line, drag it here between skills and work history, and then do the same again. Put a straight line between work history and education, drag it here, select and drag it between the same. It has to be same straight line.
Even insert a shape, a diamond shape on straight line, so that it looks like a bullet point. Just drag it here and select black color so that it looks like a bullet point. Copy the same, paste it 2 times. So that 1 we can keep it on in between skills, and 2 we can keep it between work history. In the skill section we forgot to keep the major points, so we have inserted the box and kept the major points here. Then now you can insert work experience here. In the work experience, the latest comes first. It starts with your designation and the company name and the roles and responsibilities in the company. Then you can insert second latest experience, same like designation, experience and roles and responsibilities. You can add it against to the bullet points here.
Before entering the education, we need to put a straight line here. Just select and drag it the line and keep a bullet point the box and put a highest qualification of the candidate in the box. There is a green line error. Do grammar check and complete it. 90% of the resume is ready with us. Now we can enter the duration of the work experience opposite to the work experience. You can even enter the personal details like date of birth, nationality, religion, and you can add photograph on the top of the resume in the blue box. To make the boxes transparent, we need to do the no fill and no outline so that the resume gets a professional look. Now the attractive resume ready with us, and thank you for watching my videos. Please do subscribe, like, and comment your views. Thank you.